want to register this software. So we're going to right click on the mouse and it's going to open this menu. We're going to select Run as Administrator. Again, it's going to ask if we want to allow this from an unknown publisher to run, and we do, and select yes. Okay, when the software opens, it's going to show you that it is in demo mode, which it will remain in demo mode for 30 days for an evaluation period. So we're going to click on Register Now. This is 3 acknowledgments just telling you that you should watch the instructional videos and read the manuals available to you. Click Next. You're going to select Register Online Now. It's really best to always use the online register process here. Using any of these others creates a lot of complications, which ultimately are going to require some level of internet access anyways, because we're going to have to send you an email. So really you need to have your computer on the internet during this registration process. Click Next. If you are already registered with your machine and then you're just installing this on a new computer or upgraded that computer, then you would select that you already have a customer account and you would put in your username and password in these fields. And it's best practice to select Remember Login and Connect without prompting. These just simplify processes in activating later. So now it's connected to our registration server and it's asking for you to name this particular computer. Examples here like Shop PC or Mary's laptop. This is just to help differentiate this particular computer from another computer if you call in for support. Then click Next. So this is where it will give you access to your licenses that are already registered to your account. You want to select everything there that you want associated on this computer. So if you're going to make your patterns or projects, they will all be listed here and you'll need to check mark next to them in order for those licenses to be applied to this computer. Click Next. Okay, thank you for registering your CarveWright Designer software. The registration and activation of your software is now complete and you can click Finish. Now the software is free for you to use. If you have activations that need to be done, follow the activation video.